Welcome to ClearTask. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to search on Substack to find the writers, publications, and topics you care about. Let's get started. First, open Substack. You can do this either in your desktop web browser or by launching the mobile app. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you will find the search field, typically indicated by a small magnifying glass. If you are using a mobile device, this search icon will usually be located right near the main menu. Simply tap it to reveal the search box. Click or tap inside the search box and begin typing. You can search for general topics, specific posts, or the exact name of an account if you are looking for a particular writer. For the best results, try to be clear and specific. Instead of typing a single broad word, use a short phrase that captures exactly what you are interested in. As you type, Substack will provide real-time suggestions in a drop-down menu. You can select one of these to jump straight to a likely match. Alternatively, just hit the Enter key or tap the search button on your keyboard to view the full page of results. Your results will display a mix of relevant posts and creators tied to your search terms. Take a moment to scan the titles, preview text, and names. If you don't find the perfect match right away, simply refine your search. Try a different synonym, add a descriptive word, or widen the net by using a more general term. That's all there is to it. If you found this ClearTask guide helpful, please drop a like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching. Thanks.